Hey everyone, in today's video we will talk about how to use Afterpay at Sam's Club correctly. As we all know, Sam's Club is a warehouse retail store which provide wide range of products including groceries, electronics, furniture and more. Now I have selected our product to see how their payment system works. As you can see, if you click on begin to checkout, it will take you to the next page where you need to log into your Sam's Club account. But now the fact is, does Sam's Club accept Afterpay payment method? To find out this, you need to go to your web browser first, then search help.samsclub.com where you will see the option accepted payment method. Now we can see here Sam's Club has already their payment method chart. Let's see if we find Afterpay. No, there is no Afterpay card. That means they don't accept Afterpay payment option. They don't even accept PayPal. So unfortunately, there is no option to use Afterpay card to shop at Sam's Club. So if you want to continue your shopping at Sam's Club, you need to have a debit card, American Express or MasterCard, something like that they have already given. I hope you find your answer. Thanks for watching.